Manufacturing before the Industrial Revolution was very slow and breathing. The main manufacturing industry was textiles at the time. The first manufacturing method was the putting out system, which was where raw cotton that was picked by hand would be distributed to peasant family who spun the cotton in thread, then the wove the threads into cloth. This is all done on their own homes. Skilled artists would then dye and finish it off because of this production was very slow.
At the start of the Industrial Revolution, the first real invention that revolutionized the way the textile industry would work was the flying shuttle. The flying shuttle was a machine that allowed weavers to weave faster, soon outpacing the spinners. Because of the creation of James Hargreaves' spinning jenny in 1764, this allowed the spinners to produce at the same rate as the weavers. But both of these machines had to be powered manually. So in 1769, Richard Arkwright patented and created the water frame, a water-powered spinning machine that didn't need any manual operating. The water frames were placed near rivers with strong currents to power them. Since the production of cotton clothing was increasing at a rapid rate in Britain, people in America had to increase the amount of cotton they picked to catch up to Britain's manufacturing rates. To do this, Eli Whitney created the cotton gin in 1793, which picked the seeds out of raw cotton at a faster rate. The first factories were born in Britain. These factories were placed near rivers to power the water frames. During the late 1700s and the early 1800s, canals were constructed to transport coal and raw materials more efficiently. Because of this, entrepreneurs went on a canal building frenzy and formed canal companies to make a profit. Soon, the steam-powered locomotive was created, which made railroads possible. Pioneers in the early 1800s like George Stephenson developed the steam locomotive to pull carriages along iron rails. Later, an American inventor, William Kelly, and a British engineer, Henry Mesmer, developed the process of making steel from iron. Steel was a metal that was more stronger, durable, and lighter than iron.
In the late 1800s, electricity replaced steam as a dominant source of power. A spark of inventions were created which would revolutionize the way that we live. An Italian scientist by the name of Alessandro Volta developed the first battery around 1800. An English chemist, Michael Faraday, created a simple electricity motor and the first dynamo, a machine that generated electricity. By 1870, Thomas Edison created the first light bulb, which helped light up whole cities. Factory systems stayed the same during the 1800s, but manufacturers started to create interchangeable parts which improved the efficiency of assembly and repairs. In the 1900s, manufacturers used the assembly lines, which was a new method of production.